Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and I have got a very special unboxing for you today. I have a 2-for-1. This is probably going to be a little bit of a longer video when you move through to the second part. I have the Magpie Oracle and the Magpie Oracle Tarot Talismans by the one, the only, the legendary when it comes to charm casting, Carrie frickin' Paris, who I met at the Reader's Studio for the first time this year. I have a beautiful cloth to show you as well. It just wasn't going to hang up, like stand up very well. But I have these two beautiful things to show you that you can get them on Carrie's site. They come in these gorgeous little tins and you can hear it. So I'm actually going to go through what you get in the each one of the tins. I'll go through them separately and show you the casting cloths as well, which is extremely exciting. Yeah, I love the idea of throwing charms and using them as a part of your reading experience. And then I might even do, if you're interested, and I have a feeling that a few of you may be interested in how to use this on top of your tarot readings as well. And I'm hoping that the one and only Miss Carrie Paris will be a teacher at Tarot Summer School for 2019, so fingers crossed. I might have to, we've already talked about it, so it's definitely something that is in the works. So I have got the Magpie Oracle and the Tarot Talismans. So let's switch over cameras and check out these amazing tools. Okay, so now I've swapped over the cameras and I'm going to go through Carrie Paris's charm oracles. Now, as I mentioned before, I've got the Magpie Oracle, the Tarot Talismans, and I have the Magpie Oracle, the Lenormand charm. So we're going to have a look at both of them. And I've got the cloth here, the casting cloth. Carrie also has a whole bunch of casting pages that you can print off on her website as well. She did do them every month. I've been a bit busy with summer school and everything. So I haven't gone back, but there is a bunch of casting information on Carrie Paris's website, which I will put in the description below as always. So first thing I'm going to do, let's look at the Magpie Oracle, the Lenormand charms. They come in these gorgeous little tins. And casting charms is something that has always fascinated me. So I'm not going to do this in order of the Lenormand because we have the man, let's see, the camera, man, woman, the ring. So these are charms. These are literally the birds, stork, snake. And when you work with charm casting, I will do a little cast. I don't have the a piece of paper. Star, the sun, the axe, lilies. I'm trying to lilies. The bouquet. See if my camera can actually pick this up because it can get a bit hard with them being so small. The clover, lucky clover. The bear. The tower. I remember in Lenormand, it's different to tarot. The heart. Oh, the fox is so cute. The fox. The moon. And these are nice heavy charms too. Letter. Garden. Ship. Child. It's a nice sunny day, so it's a bit reflective out there. Fish. coffin, cross, the rider, oh, this would be crossroads, clouds, this might be the whip, house, key, oh, that might be the scythe. Instead of the scythe we have the axe, rat or mice, it's mice actually, anchor, oh, my anchor, anchor, dog, book, of course it says diary on it, and tree, and the only one I don't know is the pyramid. I'm trying to think if there's one I've missed, not quite sure. So you can actually just, when you're casting charms, now again I cast runes sometimes over my readings, or I'll cast runes for stuff. Now the thing is with this is that you can feel what they are. So you would lay out your cloth, and you would shake, and then you would pour it out, and you would actually see, if I can get this thing to focus, you'd actually see where everything lays on either the piece of paper. I love the old tea trays. I've seen a lot of people get the old tea trays that actually have the sides, so that if when you do cast and you do throw, your charms aren't going to go anywhere. I think it's a brilliant idea, and I'd love to decoupage one of these days. God, I'm getting old. But you actually see where everything sits. So here it says nurture, create, nurture, and give new life to this. And we had the luck, crossroads, and the coffin. So it's like, for me, that would be like finishing what you started, and making use of the fortune around completion, and choosing where you're putting your information. Now the fact there's clouds close by as well would mean something with the child, the garden, and the tree. It'd be like, what do we got here? Mysteries with this, initiate into the greater mysteries of this. It's health, the child, and the gardens. This is like outdoors with kids, with maybe my son. You know, you would have a look at where everything sits. Lilies and the snake are on top of each other. Adopt this to be in balance. So the lilies and snake, and then we've got the whip with near the man. So it's all about how everything sits together and what it's all about, and then what's on the outside. So the mouse is like right out here. So it's another way of reading the Lenormand, which I really love. Now I'm only showing you very, very quickly. I'm not giving you sort of a full example reading, but that's one way of casting. And Carrie is like the queen of casting, so I'm definitely not doing a greater job as she was. This is the Tarot Talismans. The camera is deciding not to. The Tarot Talismans, which comes with a different set of charms. So, again in a beautiful tin and a little pouch. So here is I got to speak to Carrie at the Reader's Studio. So you would roll this to see whether it's, let's see if I can get there. So we got cups, wands, oh no, that's the magician, swords, there's the other two in here somewhere. Pentacles. Oh no, that is Wands. Okay, so we've got the 4 suits here. And so what you would do is you would roll the dice to see if it was the Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these suits, which I think is super clever. So that's the suits, and then we have the Major Arcana. Now I did this while we were at the Read Studio, so let's see. Okay, we have the Fool, the Magician, I think that's the, oh no, maybe that's the Magician. I'm gonna get some of these wrong, I feel terrible. The High Priestess. Which may be her, because I have a feeling that that is the Hierophant. Then we have, oops, the Empress. The Emperor. I can't remember which one is the Emperor. Okay, we'll have to come back to the Emperor. Hierophant, Lovers. Lovers. The Chariot. Oops, gosh, these charms. I'm not doing a very good job of holding on to them. Charms. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. The Wheel. Justice. The Hanged Man. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. And we have the Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. This could be the, oh yeah, the World, because of the Dancer. So interesting. So maybe I've misplaced which one is the Emperor, but hopefully I've given you a good idea. So again, you can throw these over a reading, a layout, or you can roll the dice along with the suits and work that way. And Carrie has a ton of resources on her website of how to use her charms. I was so excited. I picked up these while I was at the Reader's Studio, and I'm really excited to learn more from Carrie, and I really want Carrie to be to teach at Tarot Summer School next year, so hopefully we can get her on board with that. But I'll pop a link below where you can go and support Carrie's work. Divination of all types excites the shit out of me, so I love that there is different forms of it. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting our indie art creators. And yeah, the links will be in the description. Thank you.